How to log in TikTok Lite account. Let's see in this video. Before getting into the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok Lite application on your device. Once you open up the app, you will be able to see the homepage of TikTok Lite, from where you can discover various TikTok videos. So in order to log in, you need to tap on the Me option in the right bottom corner, and a pop-up will be available in your screen where there are various options for sign up. Since we are trying to log into the account that we already have, you have to tap on the login option at the bottom, and here are the various options for logging in. Previously, if you have linked your account with Facebook, Google or Twitter, then you can go for that. If you want to log in using your phone number, email or username, then you can also go for use phone number, email or username. Here I'm continuing with Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you need to choose a Gmail account with which you want to log into your TikTok Lite account. After a few seconds of loading, you can see my account has been logged in. This is how you log in TikTok Lite account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.